Building Doctor Leak Shield is a waterproofing product which is used on terraces and in cement platform without breaking the clay tiles or the platform. The special features of Building Doctor Leak Shield are: it prevents water seepage, it is UV resistant, does not get damaged due to rain, capable of sealing even minute cracks, it is long lasting, it is available in grey, white and terracotta colors. It can be used directly on terraces and clay tiles. Now let us see how to use this product. Before using Building Doctor Leak Shield, ensure you are ready with all the tools shown in the visual. Before using Building Doctor Leak Shield, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. If there is any fossil, dirt, cement particles or paint on the surface area, then it should be cleaned thoroughly with the help of machines before using Building Doctor Leak Shield. 1 part of Building Doctor Leak Shield should be mixed well with 1 part of water using a machine and should be applied on the cleaned and dried surface as a primer coat. On the well-dried surface, the product should be applied directly, horizontally as a second coat and vertically as a third coat. Especially if Building Doctor Aquaseal Nano has been applied, then applying 2 coats is sufficient. Hard works like washing clothes or dragging chairs should not be done on the coated surface, as it can damage the coating. If the surface is maintained properly, Building Doctor Leak Shield can last for a long period. The pot life of Building Doctor Leak Shield may vary according to temperature and other site conditions. Before using this product, carefully follow the instructions shown in the visual.
Building Doctor, Building Doctor.